I have just realised I've only set half of this up. Hang on. Professional as ever. Yeah, that looks alright. Bear with me 1 second. Okay, that's not the camera I wanted to control, but that's fine. We fixed that one anyway. Oh, God. It's that one. There we go. Hang on. I'll be with you all in a second. There. That looks better. Ding, 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 ding. There we go. Hello. Yeah. Come on. There we go. Oh, I got my Spread Point t-shirt on today. There we go. Hello, everyone. How the devil are you? Yeah. I'm great. I hope you're great too. It's really odd. I'm looking at this chat room today, and there's more names on here that I can put faces to now, because obviously it was Kickstarter the weekend, which was fantastic. So yeah. Pillock Smash 1980, Commander Keen, JC 1980. There's 2 1980s. Doxter, how was the party? It was excellent. It was really good. I've got some bits and pieces from it that I'll show you in a bit, but we'll do that in a bit, all right? Rob Smith, lovely to see you at the weekend. Zeron, mate, how you doing? Oh yeah, I joined Iris at the weekend. So yeah, so expect another demo from us. Doxter, Dodge, mate, how you doing? Night Shift. Retro 32, how you doing? Carl Crumpets. That's his real surname, you know, Carl Crumpets, in case you didn't know. Rob's Cube Rob, Hopmeister, Waterman, Braxton. Who else did I see there? Of course, Commander Keen. Ice Dragon D, how you doing? Grid Point, and I think I've got everyone. Pigpen Pete, Vital, Curl as well. There you are, you're all there. The big Carl Crumpets, yeah, spell Carl with a C as well. That's very important. Doesn't like it with a K. Yeah, yeah, absolutely. Has Drivers dropped the single membership rule? Apparently so. But really, I'm only ever in one group at a time. It depends on whether they're active or not. So, you know. Ripperdoc, how you doing? Yeah. Really cracking weekend. The Expo was great. The Saturday night was great. Pete Cannon was great. Ferg Grenade was great. Not sure about the cover band, but, you know, what do you do? Does that mean TTE is no longer active? TTE is active right now. So yeah, that ASCII collection is going to be a TTE release. So yeah. Is there anyone else in TTE that does chip tunes other than myself and NE7? So that's a good question. So, yeah, but we're also going to do something else. ASCII say, Toeback, how you doing? Made a whole engine for an ASCII demo once it never came out. Maybe it'll see the light of day one day. Oh, right. Thanks for the help breaking down the stand. That's all right, mate. I'd had a beer, so I had to wait a couple of hours anyway to before I could drive. Francis, how you doing? You'd be willing to throw in a chip if you want. Pro Tracker, obviously. I don't want to get it complicated. If you've got one, mate, then yeah, send it over. So yeah, we're doing the ASCII collection again. I worked on it last night, and well, there's some new features. So, but there's also some edge case bugs that we need to sort out. So I'll show you what those new features are, and I'll explain to you why it's just really annoying. So yeah. You can write a BBC Micro replay. You can write a BBC Micro replayed for the Amiga. Replayer. Oh, okay. No, I'm not doing that. Someone else can do that kind of thing. So yeah, it was great. I'll tell you what I will show you first, just because it's fairly innocuous, really. Oh God, I've got another 600. So now I own 3 of these. So yeah, nothing really special about it. It's got. Actually, I didn't check that. Just check Carl. Did he do what he said he was going to do? Hang on. Oh yeah, lovely. We've got a RAM board in the bottom. Yep. So that's 2 mega chip RAM. Always good to have more A600s. Yes. Yeah. Well, after the keyboard fell through on a gig recently, I thought I would get a spare. Oh, fucking hell. So, perfect tool for the job. So, yeah. There you go. Yeah. Actually, as we're showing stuff. This is also at my house. There's Mortals. Did you pick up any decent joysticks recently? I did. This is only on loan at the moment. And I used it at the weekend. It's fucking ace. So there you go. Look at that beauty. It is really lovely. It's quite the unit. There you go. There's my head for reference. And obviously, if you've got one of these. Which I know a bunch of you have now. There's the game box for reference, you see. So I've got quite a unit here. Other things I picked up. Let's have a quick look. Oh, some Immortal joystick stickers. And Immortal joysticks. Let's just do all this stuff now then, innit? That's a DB9 joystick converter to USB. And Carl kindly printed me the case whilst we were at Kickstart. Whilst we were actually at Kickstart. Just printed it on the Sunday. So. Oh, Night Shift. The second game box is at the post office. Fantastic. I also picked up this, which I'll show you just on the box here. I got a Go Drive. It says 1200, but it's for my 500. So this is the Go Tech kind of shenanigans, which allows you to switch between your real floppy disk drive and your Go Tech. So that's going into the 500. So we have some more options there. So, I don't know, maybe next week we'll do a hardware stream, so. Love the Go Drive. I love the idea of it, so I can't wait to plug it in, actually. So, yeah, so I've got 600 to muck about with. I've got this stuff, so yeah, there's a lot to do. What's that? Oh, that's nothing. It's just a NVMe PCI card. That's not interesting. Love like Semtex, welcome in. Someday I'll put in such a Go Tech, probably in 2030, yeah. Hooverphonic, mate, how you doing? Yeah, I still haven't posted your thing off. I'll definitely try. I'll get it done tomorrow. So yeah, I just, it's been a busy. It's just June is just always back to back, fucking busy. DVS, mate, how you doing? Yeah, mind me, I'm fucking this thing's. Come on, a bit fuzzy, aren't I? Anyway, greets to the elites. Yes, let me have a look and see what we're doing. I take it the sound and everything's okay. Music's probably a bit quiet, but that's fine. Nope. Yep, sounds good. That's what I like to hear. Oh, at Samson. Oh, Guile! How you doing, mate? I hope you are well. It was a great kickstart, mate. Yeah, it was really good. Hoover, if you're ever thinking of coming over for it, give us a shout. Well, obviously, I'll show my mates. So it was great to see loads of people from TTE there. Within the first half an hour, because I'd bumped into 3 of you lot already. I bumped into Booney, bumped into Rebel, obviously Carl and Mortals, and I suddenly realised that. I wasn't going to be able to introduce everyone, so I went around with a bunch of disc labels with TTE written on them, and every time I saw someone, I'd stick it on them. So when they were seeing each other whilst they were walking around Kickstart, they would bump into each other and have a conversation. It was fantastic. So yeah, really good fun.
Hey guys, I just want to say that if you do not follow DJ Hoffman on Twitch, then you are an idiot. Thank you very much.
Mr. PMB, yeah, I see. I met loads of people there. Yeah, the labels did go to good use. But yeah, you're all going to need to actually just put your handle on a label and then come and say hello. That makes life a lot easier. So yeah, Vamp Amiga, how you doing? Ched as well. You normally lurk and tried to learn 68,000 by osmosis. I like that. Satanic Pope, welcome in. Seems CD32 recapped ended up in Scotland, and the person is now trying to contact me to repair it. Okay. Right. Hey Subby, how you doing, mate? Right. You know, right. I haven't asked the question yet. But we've done it now, all right? So, Gerbil, don't worry, mate. We've done it. It's come next year, isn't it? I was thinking, I don't know, but maybe, Satanic Pope, any demo scene song suggestions? Off the top of my head, no. Yeah, not off the top of my head. Who would like to set up a TTE table in the community section next year? What do you reckon? Bring a couple of Amiga 500s, some action replays. Curl, no, I don't think so. Hey Booney, how you doing, mate? Lovely to see you at the weekend. Sounds good to me. A TTE table, yeah. Well, it won't matter. So basically, I reckon the idea would be, just as a joke, bring your old original discs and we'll crack them for you, right? So, or one at Amiga 40, or maybe. So, you did have an 8. We still didn't do that, did we? Too busy mucking about. So yeah, I'm thinking about it next year. Don't know. I mean, I don't know if those of you on the Discord. No, these discs are fine, mate. So if obviously you weren't there, and if you're not in the Discord, you may not know that I did a floppy disk with the TT version of Lemmings on, and I gave it to Mike Daly. So yeah, all in good jest, obviously, but yeah, actually passed him the TT cracked copy of Lemmings. I obviously like phrased it like I heard you were, I've seen you you wouldn't steal a policeman's helmet, yeah. Mike was thrilled. Well, yeah, he didn't look pissed. But he said, he's collecting every version of Lemmings. He needs the TTE release. So, otherwise you haven't got a complete set, have you? So, that reminds me, I need to take down that that media file link of Seekanoid, don't I? Right. Oh, you didn't catch that from the vid, what was on the disc. Yeah. It actually said Lemmings cracked by TTE on it. So, yeah. I hope one day he puts it in his Amiga and he sees our intro. That'd be great. But yeah, it was very funny. There was a bunch of us TT lot there at the time it happened, and we walked away and we laughed quite a lot. Anyway, 1 to 7. Give me a 1 to 7. 3. Commander Keen straight in there with a 3. See, that's why it's right. You don't need to punch any more numbers in. We've got one. So, okay, let's do this. There we go. I can't remember what I've put on these now. There is a new one that I definitely want to watch by Jobbo, by Cosmic Orbs. Yeah, there's an imploder disc here. I still haven't recorded it, so I haven't got a video that we can put on for the BRB. Oh, this is a big one. It's taking a while to load, isn't it? There we go. Yeah, thanks there, Glace. Yeah, lovely stuff. Yeah, now I can't hear anything else. Gonzo's Corn. Oh, actually, that one fits quite nicely, doesn't it? So, yeah. How you doing, Glace, mate? I hope you're well. Welcome in. How are we doing for time? Oh, yeah, plenty of time. Right. Oh, yeah, hang on, sorry. I mean, I think if the music just had a bit of a, like, cleaner kick drum, that would have driven it home a bit better. It was a bit flat, that. But other than that, Jobbo knows what he's doing. He's a bloody good coder, so, you know, it's good stuff. Clappity clap, 1, 2, 3, we love that. Clappity clap, we love that. Oh, God. Ian, what's the matter with you? Kissing Gonzo, welcome in. Very orbity of you. A rare gift, yeah. I bloody love new School 500 stuff. So do I, mate. That's why we like to make demos and stuff, innit? Anyway, 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, or 7. 7, Prince Face. Oh, Prince, mate, it's lovely to see you at the weekend, mate. Let's just go straight in. Here we go. Laurie, welcome in. Oh, come on, guys. You know better than that. Set your disc up properly. You fit it all on screen. Oh, crikey. Here we go. Well, that was quick, wasn't it? And I forgot to do the switch. There we go. I'll just say it out loud. Chucky, I believe I insulted you via the gift of Terrible Fire's phone at the weekend. So, there you go. Those escape codes are bastards. Yeah, we're about to find out about that. Yeah, he said you would love that though. So you know, basically, myself, Amiga for Mortals, and Retro 32 were just basically taking the piss out of each other for the entire weekend at the Kickstart. So that's when you know you're real friends, right? So Zymosis, boozing, plus for the win. Yes, I believe that's Slummy, isn't it? Yeah. Hey Proton, how you doing? We do. Oh yeah, loads of time. 1, 2, 4, 5, or 6. 1. There you go, TTD. Boss Gans, thanks for the follow, mate. Let's reset that. I can't remember what I put on these discs. How many we got left? Yeah, we'll do one more after this. Oh. Okay. Oh, there is music. Okay, let's wait for that to happen then. Beefy. Okay. Oh, okay. I see what we're doing. I see. We're faking a C64. There we go. I mean, it's that's all it's going to do, isn't it? So, but yeah, very good stuff. I like that. Just nice, isn't it? Solid. We like that. 2, 4, 5, or 6. Vector Funk, I doubt it. It's probably a mod, but Booney's in there, mate. With number 4. Right. So this is the last demo before we get on with the other shenanigans. Let's just see how long it takes to load. Or just put some ocean loader on whilst we wait. Oh, Mads and Fred, how you doing? Yeah, everyone knows this song. Well, apart from my daughter, she's never seen an ocean loader, so. Oh, this one. See, that's a real shame because that tune carries on for quite a bit after that. To the Koppenheimer. Yeah, I imagine that's done via pre-calculating some points, really. So, anyway, very classy. I wish it had been longer because that tune is really good. So, right. Right. Should we get on with business then? I need to be able to see what I'm doing. And so do you. So let me just do some switcheroos here. Devra Germany, welcome in. Oh, let me also let me just put a disc in. Let's put that disc in now, and then you don't need Exotic Ripper. The tunes are the tunes available. Virgil's very good at actually, can I just show you this? Hang on. Where is it? Where is it? Hang on. Don't open on that screen. Hang on. Let's not open Discord over there. There we go. Right. I just wanted, a mate of mine sent me this picture. And I thought it was funny. Where is it? There he is. There it is. So, yes, I've cleaned up my desktop. Yeah, accurate. Yeah. Anyway, I thought that was funny. It's funny because it's true, yeah. Right, so if you remember last week, we were making an ASCII collection, or an ASCII scroller. So the scroller we did last week would print a line of text at the bottom and then blitz shift upwards, right? Well, I wanted to add ANSI into it, and blitz shifting 4 high-res bit planes full screen wasn't going to cut it. So yeah, I've basically changed it all since then. So the scrolling now does the 2-screen method, so it prints lines below and above as it's scrolling through, and now it's 4-bit planes with some ANSI support. So let me show you where we currently are. I'll explain to you why ANSI is an absolute mind melt. So the music's disabled currently, and the colours, I ain't fixed the colours. So if I now click this, yeah, I know about that at the top, right? I know what that is. That's fine. So, decoding ANSI sequences. I'm a very brave. As you can see, I've decoded the ANSI sequences. There you go. It was not easy. Just actually, we don't need to see the. Well, anyway, we'll let that one run through anyway. In fact, we'll just look at some ASCIIs for a minute. Chucky, ANSI is a pain in the backside. Yeah, it is. I need to remove that as well. So actually, let me just do, before we go any further, let's just make a new file called shit to do. Okay, one is remove source at the end of the files, right? So we need to set some default colors. Need to fix the bug up top, and also we may need to allow drawing to take more than one frame. And I think that's everything we need to do. DVS, remember making ANSI packs for a disc mag? All right. How do you make the ASCII a smaller file size? Well, you just pack it. I mean, it wasn't smaller. Yes, last week. Last week it was still in its full fat behaviour. But obviously, so if we go to the folder, hang on, c:/code/docs.view2 it's called. So if you go into the text folder, this is everything that's included so far. We've actually got 302 kilobytes of ASCII and ANSI in the packs so far. But actually that relates to a grand total of 55 kilobytes when compressed. So I never released mine, but I can also create some ANSI animations. Oh, right. Don't ask me to do animations. I'm not doing that. We're just doing single scrolling here. This is absolutely mental. What's the difference between ASCII and ANSI from a demo point of view? Well, it's just a technical point of view, really. ASCII is ASCII. ASCII doesn't have any control codes, etc. Yeah. So it's just raw text, right? You don't tell it to jump forward. You don't tell it to move around. A World of Hurt. Like, I mean, yeah, somebody's got that right. So yeah, let's just let's see if this works. Oh yeah, so I haven't set default colors. So this is an ASCII, right? So there's no control codes in it, so it's not going to change the color or do anything. It's just going to print text. So Night Shift effectively already has it. So Fusion, mate, how you doing? Thanks for your a few tips over the past couple of days as well. Oh, Hop, mate. We do better than that. So we saw that one all last week, right? So let me show you this. So these are all the releases from Nova. As you can see, it's Nova Textual Healing Pack 2024. So let me show you this. You missed last week. All right, no worries. Oh, hang on a minute. This looks very PC, doesn't it? There you go. Would have said ASCII is pure text and ANSI contains control sequences for colors and formatting, bold, italic, yeah, all that kind of stuff. So yeah, the only difference between, at least I think so far, between ASCII, ANSI on the Amiga and the PC is basically the font. So PC block equals new kit. Come on, Fusion. Yeah, I think it's 437. Let's have a look. Fonts 437. Yeah, so it just selects a different font. The code for rendering the ANSI is the same for Amigas and DOS files. It's just different code page or a different font, as I get it. So I know, mate. I know. So we'll show you some of the problems that we do have that we do need to resolve, right? First of all, it's the colour. Oh, this is in here now. It is bad when you know the number without looking it up. Yeah, true, I guess. Found them, we've done that one. This one bugs out. It's interesting that some pages text viewers on Amiga support ANSI or Amiga scene escape sequences. And some just plain text. Yeah, it depends on how you... See, there's stuff going wrong in this one. So we do need to look at this. But I imagine once we've got the other problem with... I'll show you the other ones that go wrong. Will this be used for showing entries live at Nova? Probably not. I wouldn't want... I'm sure Pablo Draw that we usually use to render them out would just be fine, right? But and support every... I just... If I end up with an entry that has something that I don't support, then we're not going to show it properly. So probably not. Ooh! What's that? Oh, that's a 5 again. Okay. Still don't know what that is. So. Lemonade doesn't show. Zender! Subscribed, mate. Thank you very much. Welcome in, mate. Oh, hang on. Thalamus.shop. There we go. Will you look at this? There you go. Your man Ricky, aka Zender, and his mate Henning, his game Roguecraft physical edition is now available for pre-order. I've pre-ordered it. And you've got, what is it? 3 versions: standard edition, deluxe edition, and what's it called? Zero Clux edition, which very good. Oh, God, Andy knows what he's doing. So yeah, there you go. Beautiful stuff. Yeah, I pre-ordered mine. Don't give a cluck, no. Yeah, I want a plastic chicken with mine. So, oh, thanks for turning up, mate. I would have forgotten about it otherwise, but yeah. So, drummer, welcome in. Yeah. Clucking love it. And it's odd. I did sound effects for it, and I still haven't actually played a full game. So, yeah, I'll wait until like the final comes around. So yeah, I actually coded a sound effects system for that, which keeps all of the sound effects in slow RAM as 4-bit deltas, and then it unpacks them when they're needed to be played. So, TTD, you've not received my game yet. Don't worry, mate. It'll be on its way soon. So, yeah. I tell you what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna mod Retro 32. Because I heard at the weekend that Amiga for Mortals gave Retro 32 a warning in a warning, but I don't think you give him a warning now. He's another mod, right? Yeah, I didn't realise there was a function in Twitch where you could give someone a warning and they're not allowed to chat until they've confirmed that they've read the warning. So yeah. Look, I put you both on an even keel now, so there we go. Right, so where were we? Back here. No. What is streamers? Here we go. Right. So which ones did we've done Fathom, we did that. We did that one. Oh yeah, this one's just a straight ASCII, this one. There we go. Still need to fix that junk at the top. I know what's wrong with it. Bam. And then back, great. This one is broken. I don't know what font I'm supposed to be using for that. Maybe that's supposed to be a DOS one. Don't know. Hop, which fonts are loaded? I've got my A500 Topaz. Here we go. My A500 Topaz, which I ripped from the ROM from 1.3, and code page 437, which I stole from Pablo Draw. So there we go. Commander Keen, does it cut off the end of the line? Looked like it. It's what's happening is it's drawing it before it scrolled it up, so that you get like the top line is when in doubt, Topaz. Yeah. Nothing is stole. Oh well, to be fair, it was on what you call it? Hang on, shit to do.txt. Yeah, put that in there. Great. He snuck Topaz Unicode into. How do we pronounce that, Hop? Is it error? I don't know. Yeah. Well, that's nice. Error. Good. Right, so we're showing them all. Oh, right. So this is super fresh ASCII here. I'm gonna do it full screen as well. There we go. So these are all from Nova. These releases. Oh, we can do this one. This one breaks, and you'll see why. You'll see where when it starts going. This one's by Spiny. Oh, hang on. Sorry, it's hitting a breakpoint. Let me get rid of that breakpoint in a minute. And then right about under the mouth. There we go. So just basically something goes hideously wrong there. Yeah, Blitter object, that's because it's trying to print stuff. It basically, there's something wrong in the decoding there somewhere. And it basically tries to print a load of characters off screen. And I've got security there to stop it printing stuff off screen. So this, it's basically missing out huge chunks of this entry. So we need to work out why that's happening. So yeah, and then this one, hopefully it's got a color that's all right. No, okay. Let me try that. Okay, and then have we got a color? Summertime Madness. Yeah. There, up there. That's the problem. I know how to fix it. I've got a way of fixing it. Don't worry. There we go. Right. So, here we go. Is this one not working? Let's try it again. Okay. Definitely got a color set. Oh. That's interesting. Oh dear. That's really wrong. That was working the other day. Anyway, that's a giant ASCII by NE7. Could this be data driven from a table? From a file table. I mean, you could load them, yeah, I guess. The plan is to make it a bit easier to use and customizable, but until it actually works properly, you know. So, why does that one not work though? I haven't changed anything. Let's just check again. Come on then. Let's just go for that. That'll do. And then that should print something. Yeah, we're white, that's good. No, that file is broken, isn't it? Okay, so that's something else that we need to fix then. Where's the shit to do? Fix the Nova Peeps ASCII. Oh, and also check for typos. So, Terrible Fire, mate. How you doing? How is Banjo Guy Ollie? There we go. Typos add authenticity. How we do for another 10 minutes? Right. Let's see. Let's set some default colours, shall we? He's an asshole. Yeah. That's right, Pillock. Yes, he is an asshole, apparently. And also, actually, if you could all help me out, this would be great. Anytime you see Banjo Guy Ollie post a new cover, can you just reply under it and say Eon cover when with a question mark? So if you see one, just write Eon cover when. That's all I want you to do. Don't have to do anything else. See one of his new covers, got the banjos out. It's awesome. Eon, exactly, Minimo. That's what you need to write. Eon cover when. All right. He actually responded to my last one and said, "You're not going to give this up, are you?" So. Also ask how Banjo Guy Ollie is. Yeah, also do that. That's always a great idea. Right, so we've got a few minutes before the break, so let's do some default colours then, shall we? So, Docsys. Okay, so let's just do. I haven't set that up yet, have I? So, where did I? This is a bit. Doc print line. I've got one here that sets up. Actually, no, let's not do it there. Let's just do it in find doc init, right? There we go. Cleared, yeah. I think we've been using that. That's fine. Move.w slash, not slash. Let's look at the color palette. Where was that? Oh, for fuck's sake. Let's put 7 in there. Hang on. Text color. A5. Move.w 0 into BKG. Have I got that? I haven't got that. Neversoft. Thank you so much. Gifted subs out to the lovely DF0 Residual Mind, Miss Jackalope. Nice. Dare Green and Dave Martin. Give Neversoft a hug. He's gifted you a sub. I haven't set that, have I? Back colour. Text bold yet. Text back colour will do. rs.w1. Lovely. Right. Text. Commander Keen there being lovely as well. Hang on. Let me just type this out before I have to do that. Fubear. Persuragu. Prefim 73. Smash 1980. Tiditlu. There we go. And then Docs are there. Right, calm it down, guys. Thank you very much, mate. Brit Fury. No name of how job. Sat in the back there, mate. How you doing? The Wise, Cosmic Frog, and Marcus Turtle. That's a great name as well, isn't it? So mad. Yeah, it is a bit mad, isn't it? I wasn't looking at it, Neversoft. Now I feel really self-conscious. Thank you. I'm joking. It's fine. Right. So, have we got rid of one of the items off of our list? Oh no, I actually needed to check the color palette, didn't I? Doc view. Where is that palette? It's in here somewhere. Where the fuck did I put that then? Find palette. Oh, is it palette.asm? Oh, well, you look at that. Right, so I reckon actually let's go for a grey. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hang on. So that'd be 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, let's go for that and let's see how that looks. That does mean it's going to be doing quite a lot of printing, but we're, you know, the ASCII stuff's going to be really heavy anyway, so. Cookie Poo Brain, how you doing, my dear? Welcome in. Okay, that's still red. We will have a look at that. Okay. Okay. That isn't working, is it? Okay. Oh, I know why. I know why. Final. And then also text bold. Even though it's not bold. Will be 0. There we go. That's better. Right. Gigabytes. Are you there, mate? I didn't see you. Evening, mate. I hope you're well. Lovely to meet your good lady at the weekend. Yeah, I mean, I know she was at Nova, but at Nova I don't get to talk to anyone. So it was nice to actually hang out for a bit and chat and stuff. So yeah, lovely to see you, mate. Yeah, and get your demo finished. Come on, we want to watch something on the stream, right? So right. Text color final meaning at this time. Yeah, I know. There's a reason for that, Blitter Object. So, doing bold. It's such a fucking mess. You can set bold and then set a text color, and what happens is it then uses brighter versions of the 8 colors that you've got, which means that you have to include that as kind of part of the text color. It's very, very annoying. So yeah. Right, let's see if that's fixed that. Yay! There we go. I think we just go for that grey. And yeah, and I know we got this up the top. The glitch at the top. That's fine. It's one time at band camp as a 14-year-old Slovakian. What the fuck? Drummer, yeah, you do need to work on your idea for a demo. Okay, so let's just double check this now. No, that is very broken, isn't it? Let's just have a look at doc print line. Okay. No, that's trying to print something. Okay, that looks fine. Oh! I think I know what it might be. Okay, one last thing on doc in it. Find doc in it. I don't know if actually this might not be it either. Because why are the other two working? No, that should be fine. Ah! No, I do know what it is. Font list. Fuck's sake, yeah, font list. Here we go. So I need to separate this out, but I've got here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? Got 9 releases in this. So the last one's not working because I haven't got a Topaz font listed there, so. What? What's happened there? That's weird. What's happened? Let me just go back a sec. Yeah, okay. Yeah. Oh. There we go. Fuck's sake. Right. That's why it wasn't working. Right, so we might have 2 things off the list. So. Oh yeah, I don't need that breakpoint anymore, do I? Okay, that's working. Beautiful. And then if we go to this one. Okay, there we go. We can see this in all of its glory. If you were at Nova, you're going to be on this list somewhere. Actually, let's move that over a little bit. No idea, but your dev setup seems much more like mine. Hard time getting it to hit breakpoints. Are you using the assembly plugin, the Amiga assembly plugin? So it's been solid as a rock for ages. So yeah, same plugin. And mine, but this okay. It's just got an update. You'd ask Gigabates about that. I wouldn't know. I'm still on 1.7, I think, pre-release, because something went wrong, so I went back. I know, we would let you go. I was helping out there, Peter. It would have been fine. Yeah, it should be less broken now. I love that. It should be less broken now. Yeah. Must be operator error. Yeah, well, maybe it's, I don't know. It depends on how you got it set up. I build with tasks, so I know what I'm building. So I don't use the built-in build function. So yeah. Someone pointed out an issue today. How do we put all the Immortal Joysticks brand on a SCART switch? Oh yeah. Yeah, that's exactly right. I bought you beers. Shut up, mortals. We just let this. This is massive, isn't it? So. Looks like some movie credits. These are all these are basically the names of all the people that went to Nova, and then after Nova, because NE7 hadn't been to Nova for ages, decided to do a big ASCII collection of everyone that went to Nova. Yeah, of course I had plenty of beer. Yeah. Yeah. Mate, if you gave him a lift there, Francis, if he'd not put you in the collection, I would be pretty upset. So we've definitely got to fix this bug up here. I know what I'm going to do about it, and I know exactly what it is. So it's a race condition, basically. So. Crikey, this is massive. When any new games on show at the show? Not that I know of. So. Does it generate full lines or scan lines scrolling in? It's a full line of text it renders, because that's just a sensible thing to do. So it'll do a blitter clear, it'll print that line, and then it copies that line above. So as you're scrolling through, when you get to the bottom, it can just pop back up to the top. So. Oh, Mega Frog, I was supposed to go and... Was there a Eugitron high score challenge? No, because I set them on both days. And yeah, 2 screens high plus obviously some extra to scroll into. Yeah, this is massive, isn't it? There you go, Francis. Hey, that's a nice logo. I might use that one. And that should... Yay! You're in there twice then. Oh, brilliant. Right, it's time for a BRB. So... There you go, buy and T with that Hoff logo on, yeah. I'm going to need to do a TTET, because it'd be a TTET, which would be great. Right, okay, let's do that. What? Oh no, because we need to reset it. I know, there we go. I'm going to do a BRB, but I'm going to do the BRB that you lot just keep asking for, that I haven't turned into a video yet. So... Don't worry, Xeron. We've got Imploder. We just have to run it on real hardware. Time to drink. Is that what it stands for? Just have to wait for it to load. Yeah, it'd be much easier if it was just on a BRB. But yeah, I haven't... time to eat. Twitch Elite, mate. I see Pyro there. Hey, Pyro, mate. How you doing? Imploder. There we go. Right. I'm going to do a BRB. And then I'll be back. And then we'll do some more coding. So yeah, let me fire that up. And you can enjoy this. Because it's fantastic. That's a great tune, isn't it? Your Speak didn't code the editor. Okay. Oh yeah. TFMX had serious dongle protection. Resourced the whole thing and removed it. Oh, nice. I had a crack of it, I think, ages or a copy of it, and I just had no idea how to use it. I could probably use it now, but like, I think my time would be better spent making my own tracker. So. Anyway, welcome back. So lost. Yeah, if you want to use an interesting music editor on Amiga, I would suggest Music Line. That is it's a great bit of kit. That I mean, it's better on an 020 with a bit of fast RAM, if I'm honest, but it's really good. Right, so crikey, I need to make this a bit clearer. There we go. Just finished. Right, so let's have a look at our shit to do. Okay, remove source, we haven't done that. Set default colors. Done. Okay. Fix Nova Peeps ASCII. Done. Need to allow drawing to take more than one frame. Okay, fix bug at the top. Okay, so I know why this is. And it's because we've got a race condition, right? So the copper list. I'm going to do a cheat. I'm going to do a little bit. I'm going to make this a little bit hacky, right? So the copper list. Where is it? Copper list. Okay. So the scroll is set. Oh, and the bit plane pointers are there. And there's the sprite. And there's the main palette. Okay, and so around here, all right. Okay, I'm going to add a copper interrupt, right? Which means that our interrupt, when it runs, all of this stuff will already be set. So we're now setting stuff for the next frame. This little bit here is just to do with the mouse select, which we're probably going to change later anyway. So I think if we add a copper interrupt in here and then switch our copper to be a V blank instead, and then what we need to do is switch around the code so that we set if the line is a mod 8, so if it's at 0 or 8, etc., then we trigger a print line, and then we set the scroll. I don't necessarily want to run the code for that. I'm going to switch that out to something else, so we can. There's other stuff we want to do, but let's get that copper set first. So I can't remember how to do this because it's not often I use copper interrupts, but luckily we did a bunch of them in open recent. We did a bunch of them in Circumvent, and I know World of Discs. Size this thing. World of Discs generator. No, parts, isn't it? Parts. Discs generator. Big scroll. Rev bounce generator. Why can't I see this fucking thing? Greet noise. Okay, rev bounce text. I literally can't see it for shit. Which part is it called? Tunnel. No, it's not the tunnel. Hooverphonic, do you remember where it was? I suppose you didn't actually touch this code, so... Generator. Build. I says action replay, no. It's not the noise. It's not the rev bounce. That was yours. Text. No, it's just tune data tunnel UAE. The world of discs. Oh, it's fucking hell. It's there. It's discs, isn't it? I thought that was actual discs. Be right back. Need to pour chocolate onto a cake. Lovely stuff. Disc.asm. So this has probably got. No. Oh, okay, yeah, here we go. Okay, that's a cop jump. I don't want that. Oh yeah, that's what we can search for here, can't we? That. No. Oh, int rec, isn't it? There we go. Oh fucking hell, where did I put this? Oh, I know how I do it. Prep. Discs populate copper. There we go. I remember how I did this now. It's a very strange thing, but basically at the end of the screen display in the generated copper lists, it pops. That's where it pops the interrupt in. So at the bottom of this somewhere. There it is. That's what we want. Okay, let me just move that down there. So, dc.w int rec. There we go. Right. Brilliant. Okay. So, what I want to do is switch our interrupt. So over here, int ina. There we go. Is C. God, this is. I really need to change some of this up. Okay. C. So let's just LOR that up, right? An ASCII collie. What's ASCII? What's an ASCII? ASCII stands for American Standard for Characters. Blah blah blah. Basically text graphics. Hardware reference manual. Yeah. Int ina. There we go. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, interesting. Interrupt C. Interesting. Interrupt enable. That'd be somewhere up there then, wouldn't it? Master interrupts. Oh, hang on. Oh god, is this using the old one? It bloody is. I need to fix that. Okay. Okay. Yeah, this is using an old. This code base is a bit of a mess if I'm honest, but you know. Little Miss Murder. Oh! I'm sorry, Little Miss Murder. I'm really sorry. An ASCII collie would be a lassie, yeah. I'm sorry. It's very good. So where the fuck does this set the interrupt then? That would seem bits 15 and 14. Oh, I'm being an idiot. There it is. Right, so actually that just needs to be there. There we go. Right. So theoretically, oh no, this is going to be wrong. Yeah, okay. Yeah, that's going to be wrong. Let's just double check those bits again. So copper is 4. Okay, right. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the int in a set is correct. That is still the correct address. I know that. So the v blank tick, is it actually hitting that? Yes. Okay. So the problem is probably that we're not confirming that correctly, are we? So 20. Yeah. Okay. So let's just do that. There we go. Right. Now that should be working now. So which system had the TI 2600? That was the Atari 8-bits, wasn't it? I'm missing a load of the chat, obviously, there, so. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know that, Pyro. You're supposed to do it properly. We're just doing a bit hacky at the moment. You're supposed to check if your interrupt bit is actually confirmed, but we're just getting it to work for now. Okay, you can see it up there now. Okay, so let's do a bit of performance checking as well, right? So let's go back to the palette and let's set ourselves something nice and gentle, probably 222, right? As a background color. And then dock view. I've got a frame active thing in here. That's interesting. Okay, anyway. Move.w, let's move that into black. There we go. Interesting. I would have thought that would have. Anyway. Can't really see that, can you? Oh no, there we go. That's just because of the thing, right? Okay. Yeah, you can't see that for shit, can you? Okay. Let's see if that makes any difference. Pyro, yeah, but I don't want to hurt my eyes. Oh, I know why. Okay, yeah. Okay, because it's setting... Why is that not work? That should have changed the main palette. Copper list. No. That's bugging me. Oh, okay. I'll tell you what we'll do. Just change both of those. Right. Here we go. Right there. Let's just set up full debug mode. Fuck it. Okay. Yeah. Back. Yep. Okay. That. 333. Yep. Okay. And let's see. God, the amount of code that's in this thing is unbelievable. Right. Just how much effort it is. Okay. That's still. Interesting. DFF 180, so that should be setting it. Unless there's... Oh, you would... That should be doing something. A6 is always custom for me, Manimo. A5 is variable, so that should be making a difference because we're not setting colors. We are. Fuck's sake. Of course we are. Okay. Right, no. Oh, this is annoying. Right, so let's just do the hacky way here, the other way around. So let's just set that to gentle blue. And let's just go back to the copper list. Just set... No, that's fine. Just set everything back to normal. Okay. Anyone making music in Orange Vocoder is on sale in plugin... Oh, nice. Okay, that's looking better. Yeah, okay, cool. That's interesting. Ah! No, copper list, that's all still going to 0. Okay. That's interesting. It's really... Why on earth? Not making a blind bit of difference. Gigabytes. Oh no, don't like that at all. Don't like that at all. No. Anyway, if your framework is forcing someone else to use a different register, I don't think you've got a very good framework. I don't mean that. Okay, let me try something heavier. It just doesn't make a blind bit of difference. Why is that? Okay, well I can't monitor that then. Fuck it then. Okay, can't monitor it. Let's just try and fix the bug. Oh, that's so weird. Hey Banjo Guy Ollie, how you doing? Oh dear. I hope you're well, mate. Welcome in. Let's set the palette back to normal. I mean, there will be one day, won't there? So, there we go. I mean, I said when he posted something new, but, you know. I might have utilised my friends. I'm sorry, but I thought it seemed like a good idea at the time. It now feels like I'm bullying you, so I apologise for that. Okay, right. Let's actually fix this shit up then. Need to dash, mate. Yeah, don't worry. I will sort those out later. It's on the list of shit to do. Check for typos. Yeah, I typed them very quickly last night. I was more interested in doing code, so... right. What the fuck were we doing? So... Oh yeah, fixing that thing. So... dock mouse, fade logic, okay. Oh! So that doesn't run here. Okay, fair enough. So where does that run? I imagine that'll run in here somewhere. Prep v blank t. Yeah. What the fuck? Hang on. Doc main. There we go. Okay. Let's put that. Let's take the doc main out of there. There we go, right. And then back in the V blank tick, even though it's a copper tick, Let's punch that in there. Okay. And then in doc main, let's go and have a look at this again. So doc view. So when we're doing this, okay, doc scroll. Okay. So what we'll do is, well, that should be solid then. Okay, doc scroll pos 0. If that comes out as 0, then we're on line 0, right? Okay. Then we scroll. If it's not that, then we scroll only. Oh, that's why. Okay. cmp.w/1 to d0 bne. Okay, there we go. Because we're setting the scroll here, and actually the number needs to be 1 because we're a frame behind. So our scroll position is effectively for this frame, we're going to be setting it to 1. But we're viewing it, whilst we're setting it and doing drawing, we're setting the next scroll position. Yeah. Fucking, is it as simple as that? I love the fact that, oh, you need to dash Fusion, mate, no worries. I love the fact that people start talking about coding in here. Your head hurts. Yeah, never soft, mate. When you start racing a beam, you've got a copper list and code running at the same time. You're effectively multi-threading. It hurts. Figuring things out in your head. Yeah, yeah. I'm a lot better at it than I used to be. So. Oh, you fucking bastard. Did I actually build it though? Because I'm good at not doing that. Oh, that sounds awful. Oh, hang on. Okay, now let's rethink this. Dock scroll, still going, that's fine. BSR fader and RTS, okay, still going. So what we're going to do, we're going to take that out of the equation, right? Get rid of that, okay. We're going to set the planes. Scroll pause. Yeah. Okay, and move that into D0. Okay, and then here we will say, we don't need to actually move that into there, do we? Okay. So if that is 1, BNE scroll only. Dot scroll only. Okay, so we're dealing with loading up the copper that has already passed, so that the next frame is ready. And then, although we're going to call the thing from here in the interrupt, we're going to get rid of that. We're going to pass that over to something because I've got an idea of how to like deal with like long running lines. So, okay. I don't think moving that there is going to make any difference, if I'm honest. No, it's still a problem. Have a look and just see if that makes any difference. It stops running the mouse then, doesn't it? Oh god, I don't like that. Okay, yeah, we'll fix that. This is so weird. Oh, that feels horrible now. Let's try that. Yeah, it's even worse that, isn't it? Hang on. BNE. Oh, hang on. No, that's right. Let's just try that then. I don't think that's going to make any difference. All right, Thalamus. -1 or 1. Let's try both. Yeah. You could set the pre-launch task to your build task. I know I could. The problem is I'm so used to this series of key presses that do you know what? I'm tempted to just fucking hide this thing now. Right, I'm going to try something. Is that ship it in ASCII, Zenda? Yeah, probably. I don't think the guy thought that, but yeah, that's a good point. Okay. Okay, that's looking better. I mean, it's obviously a hack, isn't it, right? But fuck it, if it works. No. Okay, I'll tell you what I am going to do. Is we're going to take the palette and do fading at the top and bottom, right? So we're going to fade it in and out. And then that'll hide these little edges. So I think we'll go with that, right? That reminds me, I updated VS Code on my old MacBook today. An activity monitor was open and I saw a task called ship it for a second. Love it. Okay. This will do for now. That's fine. Okay, I'm going to call that... where's the shit to do? I'm going to call that... remove bug at top. Okay, so what I'm also going to do is... I'm going to stop giving these numbers. Thalamus is here. Bear with. So hands up, those of you at the Kickstart after party. How did that actually sound on the system? Because I was obviously the other side of it. And I like to get a bit of feedback on how things sound. Did it sound better? So I did play it, didn't I? I can't remember. Sounded great. Okay, great. Yeah. Bloody good. Yes. Fluffy Martin, we must have had a chat then as well. Let me guess. We've probably chatted for ages and I can't remember what your name is because I'm useless. So, sort of space baby, yeah. I mean, right. Oh, Mike from Nag. Yes, mate. All right, nice one. Right, I got you now. Cool. I have to try and make it over next year. Yeah, you'd love it, mate. You'd love it. Right, so remove source at the end files. May need to allow drawing over. We definitely will. Check for typos. Fix a bug at the top, and then we're going to put in another note here that says copper grads top and bottom. But we'll see where we get to. So, Right. Oh, actually, let's deal with the fucking elephant in the room, right? Escape code bugs, right? So, I think we're good with most of this. So we might need to have a little pop into HXD and what's the other one? Okay. A Pablo draw. Okay. So I'll give. So also, yeah, hang on. Escape code bugs and implement BK background color rendering as well. So we've still got quite a few bits to do, right? So I show, for example, let's get the Pablo up. Okay, move that over there. Don't need it actually. So if we open up, for example, d:/Nova 2024 ASCII, load up 5, was it? So that's the original ASCII, ANSI in this instance, right? So this one I think actually is pretty much solid and done, right? Let's restart that. Okay, let's plonk that over there. And then get Pablo up here. There we go. Right, so if you look at this one. Let's have a little look. Connected. Yeah, that looks good. That looks good. That all looks good. Let's scroll this down a bit to about there. To the pist. Okay, it's like playing Spot the Difference now, isn't it? Okay, so cool, blah blah blah. I'm the TTE, baby, yeah. Okay. Okay. Just check all the colours are right. I think it is working now. I just want to make sure. Home of the TTE. Yeah, that looks good. That looks, yeah, it all looks the same. Yeah. Yeah, all looks the same as well. Oh, shit in the bed. Is that... Oh, for fuck's sake. Look at that. I missed that. Where was Lee? Oh, I missed it. Okay. That could also be a colour difference because we're at 4-bit. But the brackets are also the wrong colour. That's annoying. Also, the head has some wrong colours. Oh, fuck's sake. Okay. Let's just have a quick look at the rest of this then. Okay, so... Okay, looks pretty good. That looks pretty good. Oh yeah, no, that's fucked as well, isn't it? There. Okay. Okay, there's a difference here between that and that because he uses the bigger font, which I'm not using at the moment. So it draws straighter lines. And that's easy to resolve. But it's the colouring that's going to annoy me. I'll use okay. Fucking hell, it's so close though, man. Okay. Yeah, see that's not right. Why is that? It's to do with this default colour. Shenanigans. Fuck's sake. Is yours doing bold, forcing it to white or something? I think, yeah. So when the thing is, how do you know Pablo Draw is correct? I mean, You know what? You do have a point there, Hooverphonic. So. The ANSI codes are also annoying since many things are quite tolerant in parsing them. So if you use something with extra spaces or extra zeros strict, it throws a fit. An extra space would probably fuck up something. But that'd be quite an easy fix in terms of the number cruncher. But extra physical number digits in the number sections would be fine on this. It deals with that. Okay, let's just keep looking. I think these are like... These are kind of edge things, right? It's to do with... fucking so close but yet so far, isn't it? Yeah. So the number parser doesn't expect 1 or 2 digits. It basically loops round until it finds something that isn't a number from 0 to 9, and it like shifts them into a register. So if you end up with like ask stupid ASCII question, get stupid ASCII answer. Yeah. Warning. Where was warning? Again, I think that's to do with the default. Endless. Nope. That. Oh yeah. So what colour is that then? So, okay, let's put it into edit. Where's warning? Where are you? Okay, so let's do a colour picker on that bastard. So which one are you? So you're there. Okay, so that is colour. So, right. I'll tell you how annoying this is, right? The colour code 0 to 7 in the ANSI escape sequences, right? So you can set a number, it's 37 or 32, 31 to set the text color, right? Have I got the file here? No, I don't. Okay. The palette inside Pablo Draw is bit reversed. So, which confused the fuck out of me, so. It looks like a Nightmare demake. Nice. So what color is that? So that is so that would be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so you have to calculate this out, right? And you go 4, right, which is 1, 0, 0. So actually, the color number that you're looking for is 1 because it's bit flipped. So I read the raw file. Yeah, I can show you that now, mate. So HXD. So open recent files. It's obviously there. Ah, for fuck's sake. All right. File open. Decon/Nova 2024. And then ASCII. And I know it's release 5. And there it is. Right. Okay, so we're looking for the word warning. And where's it gone? There. Okay, I see it. Right, so find warn. There we go. Warning. Okay, so what are you doing? You're setting bold on its own. So that's the escape code. Right, 1B, 5B. It could also be 9B. You then have a number, right? And that could be 1 or 2 or 3 digits, right? So you have to deal with that. And it's in ASCII, right? There, see 1. So the control code of 1 is set to bold, right? And then M is that's a terminate to say you've finished reading control codes, right? So maybe, okay, hang on. So that's setting it to a 1. Okay. So the problem I had was up here. Okay. Which was around, hang on, let me find the fucking thing. There. Okay, so maybe it's only on a set 0. Okay, right, let's fucking try this, see if this works. Right. Docsys. Okay. Okay, so on a find doc print line. Okay, this function has got at hand already. Okay, so if it finds the escape, it goes to escape, right? Okay. And then we go, right, we're in escape code, get a number. So whether it's 30 or 39, which is ASCII. And it does a shift, and then that number's in D1, which is great. It then looks for a delimiter or an exit. If it's an exit or if it's a delimiter, they both then do the CSI, which is the character sequence something or other. I can't remember what the fuck it means. Okay. Right. If it's 39, so it's like 0 reset some things. Yeah. I think what it is I did it on 0 or 1, right? So, bold. On bold. Okay, so, fuck's sake. This is a bit of a mess, but okay, so test.w d1 beq.colorfix, and I think that's it. 0, and then 1 will still. So the problem is you can set a color, and then you can set it bold afterwards. But if you set it to plain text, I think that resets the text color. I thought both bold and plain text would reset the color, but okay. Hang on, before we do that. Okay. You see what a mess this thing is? So tricky. But, you know, it was an evening's work, so. Yep, they don't. Okay, cool. So it's only the 0 that does the reset. Okay, nice. Cool. Two bold off, 3 italic. I'm not supporting italic. No one does fucking italic fucking ASCII. Until they do, and then I'll be really sad. Okay. Versus, so I want it to match, you know. Booney, yeah, it will do. It does it automatically. That's why I don't bother with that shit. I'm not that bothered about. If it has to be tight, then yeah, I suppose I would look into it. But most of the time, it'll optimize all that shit to the smallest possible distance. So. Mr. Lolkins, I did see you streaming Seekanoid the other day. I did send you a whisper. Oh, also there's Udratron tips. Big help. Excellent, mate. I've made a list of tips. If you're interested in really pushing your score on Udratron, give me a shout. I'll send you the tips list. So no one does fucking italic is going in my bookmark one day. Yeah, I haven't done it. Right. Okay. Excellent. Have you liked it? Because I saw you getting about 500,000 on your stream a few days ago. Have you broached over 1 million yet? Udratron tips. Don't die. Udratron, dying in Udratron's fine. The important thing is to get a score high enough to get extra lives so you can die. That's the way to play it. Okay. Let's do a comparison. Has this made it better or has this made it worse? I don't need the preview on anymore. Take that off. There we go. Okay. Lovely. So that's what we're looking for. No! No! This is already broken, look. Fucking thing. How does it make these fucking decisions, this thing? Stupid. Oh, hang on, that's why. Hang on. It's because I'm a fucking idiot. Oh yeah, definitely don't blink. I haven't got them here, but I think even only got to level 15, score was much better. Brilliant. Okay, cool. I mean, once you've got into the rhythm of that, Eudratron's my favourite game out of the entire game, man. I fucking love that thing. So good. I think the last tip was hype. Turn the music up really fucking loud so you can get in the zone. So yeah. Right, let's have a look then, you bastard. I was doing it round the wrong way. So. Yes! Fuck yes, yes. Okay, this might be fixed now. Okay, that's looking good. Higher's looking good. Yeah, that's all looking good. ABS Retro 321337. Yeah, that's looking good. The WHQ, yeah, that's looking good as well. Oh, the head was weird as well, was it? Okay, cool. Okay, apart from the font, that looks like the same colour now. Yeah. Oh, this is... yeah, that's just the font. That's nothing to do with the escape characters. So, I know what that is. It's because he uses Topaz Plus, I think. Where I've just got the standard Topaz, so... That's it. That's like a 5-second fix. So, I have to decide which type of font I want to use. Okay, B... Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, that is right. BBS in the way to art school. Way since... Yeah, yeah. I think that... I think that is... I think this is all solid now. Let's check what colour warning is. Yep. I'll have me some of that. Yeah, that looks good. Okay. That's not going to fix the other bugs that I've got, so we need to try and fix some of those, but we're about to hit the break, so. Comic Sansky said no one ever. Okay, cool. That's solid. Okay, that's great. Right, oh god, I forgot to mention, someone actually patched, I got the message over the weekend, I think. Someone's actually patched Xcopy, so it will play that Seekanoid theme from I'll Be Right Back on a real Amiga whilst you're copying discs, but I've forgotten to get a copy of the, and also this Amiga doesn't have enough memory for it, so that's not going to work here. Commander Keen, let me find the link for everyone, right? Hang on. Is that Pyru, is it? Oh, I don't understand because it's it doesn't say Pyru on his Mastodon page, so hang on. Okay, hang on. There we go. Okay, yeah. Here we go. Bam. Right, I'm gonna do that. Be right back because that's the best thing to do. Probably should update it. Maybe. Right, I'll be back in a bit. Right, okay, we're back. I'm just going to change the playlist quick because I think and there we go. Hang on a sec. Google Drive. Here we go. Amiga. Here we go. A mod dump. Just put that in there. There we go. Just fancied a change. It doesn't require 1 meg of chip RAM, yeah. I have to check actually. My 512K memory expansion, my 500, does have a switch, so I wonder if that switches it to what's it called? Oh yeah, working on a 500 plus. Yeah, I wonder if that'll switch it to 1 meg chip RAM, but yeah. Okay, so right, let's look at the list. Shit to do. Okay. Well, we found an extra bug. It wasn't the main bug I was looking for. So let's see if we can find this bastard. Right. Oh, disables it. Oh, that'd be a bit rubbish. Oh, okay. Okay, fair enough. I'm not that bothered. The 500's supposed to be like kind of pure anyway, so. Yeah, no, I don't see the point in that. Right, so let's actually there's a couple of things I want to do. First of all is docsys find doc line. Document doc line, and is that the only instance of that, right? Clear.w doc line. Yeah, that's the only thing. Okay, so what I want to do is on doc print line. When we come out of here, which is, where the fuck's that? It'd be in character return line feed, won't it? God, this is such a mess. Line feed. Okay, add 1 to D6. Okay. Okay. Line feed, so maybe CR. What does CR do? CR adds 1, and then it goes BNE line feed, else it adds 1. Line feed, add 1 to D6. Adds that to D. Okay, so that doesn't. Loop line. Hang on, I'm getting confused here. Find doc print line. Here we go. Right, out. It's because I've got 2 routines in here that kind of do similar things, and it's getting very confusing. Okay. Line feed, move that into A0, copy the line, and then quit. Okay, so this is actually our exit, which is halfway through the routine, which is fucking, that needs to be fixed. Exit, right. So add q.w 1 to doc line A5. Right, okay. So I'm going to find a debug. Bye Chipper, welcome in. Oh, glad to find this stream. Okay, yeah, cool. Just got excited the other day to get my A600 HD going again. It's the first computer I ever got around 1990. Well, welcome to the stream, mate. Oh, yeah, just to prove the point, because I haven't actually done it today. That camera's fucking all over the place. There's our Amiga 500. We've been watching demos on it. Been coding on PC today, so it's just life's easier that way. So, okay. So the point of this is, so when the routine is trying to, it counts how many it counts which column you're in on the screen, right? So when it tries to start printing out of the screen, it stops printing the characters, because you wouldn't do that. That's mental. You just start trashing screen, right? So, but it carries on running all the rest of the code to like traipse through the code and do what it needs to do. When these ANSIs fall over, they print absolute garbage, like across and across. So what I'm going to do is here, I've just added in obviously a line count to find out which line number we're on. So doc line into A5 into D0. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to set a little breakpoint there, right? So what we should now get is, if I go and do the endless, which is the spiny one that completely, so I can show you how this breaks actually. Let me show you how broken it is. Right, Pablo, yeah, come on, there we go. File, open, ASCII 7. That's a good guess, wasn't it? Okay, so we can see the whole picture there, right? Around the mouth here, I think. I can't remember exactly where it is, but you'll see that there. So we've got a problem around here. So if I, oh, that is running. So let's get WinUE up. There, okay. So that one. It's not going to run the breakpoint this time round. I just want to show you. There's other things that will be wrong here because I'm not doing the background thing yet. The background color changes. So that'll be kind of next. So it's around about there. Yeah. So you can see that is about misses. If something goes wrong here and then it just basically carries on going. So it's about here. So to find out which line number that is, we put our breakpoint here, I think, and just run it again. Okay, the endless, right. It might do. Boom! There we go. Let's have a look at the. Let's just do the Pablo comparison. Okay, it does look slightly different because they actually use a higher resolution font than I do. But I'm using a 8x8, where actually it's 8x16, I think. But that's, you know, it's a hit that we're going to have to take because I don't really want to do interlace. So RC55, how you doing, mate? What's going on with your things and stuff? Is things moving, or are you still in absolute hell at the moment? Yeah, I know the ASCII 500 can do that. It's pretty clever, isn't it? So the point of this was, it's around here that everything goes wrong. So what line number is that? 108. Okay, so 108 in hex is 264. Right, so if we get Pablo draw, right, and then let's save this as let's save it as C/code. I could have done with a test mode for this if I'm honest. .view2 text 02.txt. It'll need to be compressed. Okay. So we're looking for line 108, which is, no, that doesn't seem right. Doc line 108. Oh, hang on, fuck's sake, that's not right. There we go. Okay. House me of all inquiries sorted, just waiting for seller to confirm an exchange completion date, but they're on holiday. Not far from good times. Excellent, mate. I'm happy to hear that. I'm very happy to hear that. Yeah. Good. So be house party soon, yeah? So yeah. Okay, let's get the correct number this time. I moved completely the wrong thing into the fucking address. Yes. Excellent. I mean, just out of curiosity, how geeky are your friends? I mean, I know they're probably pretty geeky. Because Could bring the Amigas, you know. That'd be interesting, wouldn't it? But anyway, there we go. This looks more like an important number. 58. Okay, so calculator. Hex 58. So it's line 88, which is the index of 88. So, okay. Let's just check how Pablo treats line 1, which is line 1. So actually, we're talking about line 87. Right, line 87. So we want 87. Oh, that's not what I wanted to do. Okay. How do I fucking delete? Okay, let's just see which line it is we want. That's 87. So it's the one with the two, let's call them teeth in. Right, and then how do we delete a line? Edit. Fuck's sake, this is help about. Okay. No. Oh shit, this is a really old version, isn't it? How do I... that's not right. How do we... edit? Fuck's sake. Can't... No. I just want to move that bit up. Fuck's sake. First line, is that full width? Yeah. I think they all are. I just don't know how to delete a line. No. There's no... oh, fuck's sake. I think this is because it's... actually, we do about... What is this? It's copyright 2013. Okay, Pablo draw. Releases, here we go. Oh my god, we are desperately running out of time today, aren't we? Right. Okay, let's close that. Let's have a look. I didn't realise it's written in C# as well, actually. It's quite cool. I was able to, like, literally, I just double clicked on the project file. I could run it and debug it. Daryl J, man, welcome in, mate. Lovely to meet you the weekend. And obviously, everyone else as well. You're all amazing. Oh, yeah, all right. Okay. There we go. Right. Oh, so hang on. That is... So what was the number there? Sorry, I think I've calculated this round the wrong way, haven't I? So hex in 58 is 88. So it's actually line 89 we need. Okay. Okay, help about. Okay. That seems like the old version still. Fuck's sake. Okay. Fuck's sake. Hang on. Now consistently getting 1 million and about 10 lives by level 10. There we go, Lolkins. You know it. That's it now, man. You're in. Lolkins, mate. If you want the ultimate accolade of Udratron, then you have to get the achievement better than Charlie. If you get the achievement better than Charlie, I will send you a gift. All right. In fact, the first person that shows me true numbers and true screenshots of doing better than Charlie, I will find out. I will get a gift for them. All right. I can't fucking do it. I can get 2.4 and 2.8. So Fuck's sake, right, so more ASCII stuff, yeah. So let's have a little breather whilst I wonder, what is Charlie's score? 4.9 million. Easy peasy. Yeah, right. So we've now turned this into a full pack, right? So we've got 9 ASCIIs and ANSIs. So now we can obviously we can display ASCIIs. There you go. That's the one we were doing last week. We can display Amiga ANSI. So now we've got full color. Looks delicious. Okay. Very nice. We like that. And we've also added in support for DOS-based, MS-DOS-based ANSIs. Looks slightly different, but we're getting close to getting that working as well. So bam. I was going to say, Lolkins, mate, if you want the real stick for doing it, I mean, I'll admit, it's a lot of money, but you could get one of these. I played on this. This is on loan to me at the moment. I played on this at the weekend at Kickstart, and it is pretty amazing, I got to say. So. It might be. So, God, that's going to make it very expensive, isn't it? Because I need to keep one for myself, but I'd also need to keep one. No, it's not. This too much. Is that the abstraction? No, the abstraction is a little. That's an expensive prize. Yeah, you're absolutely right. Yeah, so that's not the price. The abstraction, Lolkins, is a retro-based twin stick controller that works with a DB9 port. So yeah, it's not that at all. But yeah, that's actually a properly twin stick. Will give you 2 proper angles. Shenanigans. But it's not in production yet. It's in testing. But this is an Immortal Joysticks Seekonoid twin stick. So yeah, it's fucking great. so yeah. Right, where were we? Oh fucking, I'm running out of time. So that was it. Pablo draw was a problem, wasn't it? So let's try and just grab. Why is that not? Let me just remove it. Add, remove programs. Okay. Search the list. Pablo draw. Okay. Uninstall. 3.3.331. Which version is this? Oh, that was it. For fuck's sake. Okay. I was using this earlier today on it, and it was fine. So d:/Chrome downloads. There we go. Okay. Because that's what everyone came for, right? It's Windows installers, right? Definitely. Okay. Fucking, this had like a help screen in it. Oh, fuck's sake. Can you not just include the documentation in here? I swear the other version I had would show me the key commands for this shit. fuck's sake, I don't know. I don't want to move the block, I want to just delete the block. So let's just open open. 02 dot, oh, that needs to be set to ANS, doesn't it? That's annoying. Okay, yeah, I know. It won't open it properly otherwise. Okay. Oh, that is... Oh! Okay. That's interesting. Oh, that's really interesting. Okay, I can see what the problem is now. Yeah. Okay, cool. So... Okay, because that's where it goes wrong. And that's where it comes back. Okay, so why... What am I missing? Oh, fucking hell. Pyro, I support both of those. That's fine. Like, if you've got a carriage return line feed or a carriage return, more than 80 columns, fine. That shouldn't be a problem. But I wonder if this is doing something else on those lines. There's definitely something to do with... Okay, it's whenever it's at the edge there. Fucking, how do we find out where that is in the file, though? Okay, no, I've got it. I know what we need to do. Right. So where was that other breakpoint set? Color chart. Okay, so let's put that there. Right. Okay. Latest grid point. Need to grab some sleep. No worries. Thanks for hanging out. Okay. Let's. Oh fucking! What are you doing? Come on. Let's make sure it's built. Okay, yeah. And grab a beer. Okay. The Endless, there we go. It's an edge case for sure. Thank you very much there. Brilliant. Right, so this will stop right about there. Okay, cool. So actually, theoretically speaking, let's go back a little bit. Let's go back by 6. Okay. So there's an escape code 31, which is a color, and then that, and then DB. Okay. Oh my God! Is the problem? Oh my God! Is the problem that they don't have? You're off, mate. Gotcha. I think I know what the problem is. Okay. Okay. I know what the problem is. So, on DOS, when you're at column 79 is an index, or column 80, they don't put line feeds in. So it just prints it. Right. Okay. Okay, so how do we manage this? So let's take this out of here. Right. Right. Let's grab that. Okay, that, I think that might color char, right? Okay, right, so we do that. Oh, fuck. Hang on, let's go back. Let's just grab that. Let's just copy that out. You get a printed chart, you get a printed chart, right? Okay. Print. Okay. In print, we'll compare that. Okay, so if that's a BCS, then do print. Actually, no, let's do this a bit easier. So, if it's greater than or equal to 80, where is it? Comps, there we go. Unsigned, greater than or equal to is BCC. Okay, so if it's greater than or equal to 80, so that's a BCC. BCC is the opposite of that, obviously. Then what we're going to do is we're going to line feed that shit, right? And then line feed will, nope. Line feed. Ah, shit. Okay. Okay, actually, line feed. Okay, so I know what text PTR. That's the problem. PTR. Font PTR. No. Doc PTR. Okay, so. Okay, and that's what the problem is. Line feed. Oh, line feed. Oh, for fuck's sake! I need to remove some of the code out of this shit. Okay. Okay, that's why, because it's searching downwards. Okay. Yeah, I told you this code was a mess. Okay. Okay. Print line. Fucking hell, what are we doing? Okay, yeah. BCC line feed. Okay, which would be the one up there. Stop print line. Line feed. Go there, move that, do the copy. Okay, now that's fine. That's fine. Line feed. Otherwise, print it. Ah, shit. No, that's no good. No, it is. That's fine. That is fine. 0 on this would be so much easier in C. Yeah, but then it'd be too easy. Also, it wouldn't be easy. It'd be boring. You'd be looking at me going, I don't understand C, so. I should fucking learn it, really. Okay. I don't know why I said that. Okay. Oh, mate. Oh, no, no, no. That's no good. That's close, but no cigar. Okay, it kind of worked. Okay. Obligatory, have you considered using Rust? I imagine that's a fad language. I don't know. I think the idea of being able to be that close to a system without having to manage too much of your fucking memory is probably a good idea. So. Anyway, you know, it's like coding is coding. It's like love is love, right? So why didn't that work then? Okay. It kind of worked, but it didn't. Where was it? Ah, fucking hell, you know what? Okay, 80. Attach bit, oh, sprite coords, okay. Line feed will, that's pointless, that. Oh! Okay, line out. Okay, that's what we need, okay. Line feed. Line feed, so what I need is, oh no, that is, yeah, that is correct. Interesting. Unless I've misunderstood this. Anyway, I think that's probably about the limit of my intentions. Let's have a look. What does it actually do? I didn't think this was going to be so hard, you know. Fuck's sake. Right, is it back? Yeah, I know it's back. I know that's done that. I accidentally touched the sleep button on my keyboard. So we're going to have to change that at some point. So that never does that ever again. Fuck me. You would have... No, it's not a cooling issue. It's basically, I was just like meandering my fingers on the keyboard here, and the sleep button is active. Even though I'm streaming, it's allowed to go to sleep. Anyway, so yeah. Yeah, that's, so yeah. Cam is dead. It should be fine now. I think. You should be able to see something. Desktop. Oh no, everything is broken now. Okay, what about, okay, well that works. So, there we go. Vector Funk catching up. I was lovely to see you as well at the weekend. Cheap keyboards. It's not, is it? But right. Because the computer went to sleep, which disconnects you from the internet. So, or did it actually disconnect, or did it come up with a thing where the connection was gone? But it obviously slept all the USB hardware, so I don't know. The nap. Oh, you know, mate. If that's, you know, if Thalamus, if this is your kind of ASMR that helps you relax, then that's fine. So yeah, no worries, TTD. Demo time, yeah, definitely. We've got like 20 minutes left anyway. I might burn another disc as well. So, and basically the desktop section of the capture is broken anyway. So like if I go to desktop. So anyway, I think, oh no, it's back now, but okay. But yeah, we can see wicked, nice one, mum. Yeah, I don't know what's going on with that. I will go and investigate further, but I think we have definitely got further. I'm just not sure what's going on there with that file. But that was a clue in the old Pablo draw, wasn't it? So, right. There we go. You're going to get disc 2. I don't know what's on disc 2. My XM play's gone missing as well. Where's that? There we go. Jesus, that was... I need to fix that. No, they're both great machines. There's none of this. We don't have it. Here we don't have none of this. You know, your 40-year-old fucking computer is better than my 40-year-old computer. You know, do you own all the computers? That's the important thing. Right, disc in. Let's go. Let's see what we got. Oh, nice. Old school. Insane. Oh, flashbacks. Okay, cool. I'm going to pause the music there. There we go. Insane and a demo called Flashback. Put the tunes back on. There we go. And say hello. Hello. Where are you? Kenno Bishbosh. That's an amazing name. Welcome in, Raiders. My name's Hoffman. You caught me at the end of my stream, which usually means we're going to play some more demos. Usually it's like coding and stuff, cracking, general copy protection, all that kind of stuff. And we do stuff. So we've got a real Amiga 500 here. We've got real floppy disks. So yeah. Welcome in, Raiders. Ken, what were you doing? Cubo Melee, Mela, welcome in. Quattro? Yeah, it's hard to say this time of night. But yes, welcome in. I hope you're all having a fab evening. That was obviously a demo. We're going to watch another one now. Press some buttons here. There we go. So yeah, I've got two more that I've prepared. Then we might have to play some classics, all right? Because we've got some new people in. Anyway, hello, my name's Hoffman. I do stuff here. 6. TTD. If you remember the numbers of the discs today, because disc 6 is available, so I'll give you that. Right, I don't know I can never remember what these are. I write them on floppy disk and then we just watch them. We just chuck them in. By the sounds of it, as you can see, a floppy, no. Your floppy drive's running. Oh shit, hang on. I'll reset that and we'll give it its proper start, shall we? There we go. The demo exited to shell. Heresy, yeah. Right. 21. Okay. 21. That was Logic OS, wasn't it? Oh yeah. Excellent demo. There you go. Morphine by offense. Yeah. I'm not going to sit there and listen to the rest of that though. So put the last official disc of the evening, and then we'll do a couple more. I'll let you guys decide which one we're going to do. Oh, Meadows by Rift. Yes. Brilliant. It's taking a lot longer to load than I thought it was going to do. No, I don't think that was by Virgil. In a stark contrast to everything else that's released. Let me find out actually. Demo Zoom. Yeah, clap. Lovely demo. Meadows. MEADOWS. Okay. Meadows by Rift. Music was by Bex, aka Ash, aka Synesthesia, a regular around here. Right. Well, I mean, it always wins. Hellmood, thanks for the resub, mate. Much love. Nice to see you there, mate. We're at the end of our stream now, but we're gonna obviously play the Bex. Yeah, absolutely right. Let me close that now. So yeah, we're just gonna do. There we go. This is the Amiga Addict cover disc that I did. Oh yeah, the encoder's definitely going to die right now. That was a hint. I know TTD, but what can I say? Oh yeah, we can leave that one in. We've got the progress bar yet as well. Oh yeah, so if you don't know, obviously, show me the retro. Amiga 500, no accelerators. And here's the progress bar. Loading error, it loads anyway. Yeah, because Blitter Object, if there's enough RAM, it'll play the version that doesn't kill the operating system. So there's 2 executables on the disk, so to make sure it'll run on every system, so. Yeah, so our last demo of the evening, and I imagine we'll probably raid over to Charlie because that's just what we do on a Wednesday night, isn't it? Unless someone else more interesting is on, but it's highly unlikely. So anyway, let's enjoy this. Do you know what? When I made this, having the progress bar was actually the thing I was most proud of. There we go. Look at it go. Look at it go. Oh. Here we go. It's going to run any moment now. There we go. There's a demo. I imagine this probably crashes now. Oh wow, that does something very odd. So that's strange, isn't it? Oh, that's not on, is it? Fuck it. Let's do one more, shall we? But you lot don't get a choice, right? You lot are mental in the chat room with the old emotes there. Thanks again for a great stream. Don't worry, TTD, thanks very much. I'm back. Did I miss much? Nah, mate. Missed nothing, really. TTD, yeah, that's exactly what I'm going to do. We're going to do Eon. I ain't seen it for ages, so I need to stop this music very quickly because this demo starts quickly. How quick is that? Terrible fire. All demos are up, mate. It's as simple as that. You know, you can't get as basic as that. There you go. That's Eon by the Black Lotus. Wow. Just, there we go. Yeah. Every time. I love watching that. So, yeah. Was it the, it's not here. The TBL hoodie I got for working on that. And, everyone at Kickstart was like, I want your hoodie. It's like, no, you can't get it. There's only one way to get it. And that time has passed. So anyway, let's press a button. There we go. That'll do us for today. We've made some really good progress. We've picked off a bunch of stuff off the list. So yeah, it's kind of working. There are some issues still with those PC ANSIs, which I will look at in the coming days.
Hey guys, just want to say that if you do not follow DJ Hoffman on Twitch, then you are an idiot. Thank you very much.
Man, don't lie. But also, you can have this as a little treat. Here you go.
US Gold present from Sega.
Zeron, you might have a point there, but I don't know. I don't know how that works. All right, it's going to be complicated, but I will consider it. When at Prime Days, I've got 88,000 channel points. I should probably reduce that down. Night all, no worries, mate. Thanks, Hooverphonic, for tuning in. Just use a bitmap. No, there's not enough room for that. I'm using a lot of space already for all of the other text. Even the compressed text is quite big. So, yeah. Right. Anyway, let me press this button here. Okay, and we do that. No, come on, Ian. You can type. There we go. Right. We're going to go raid Charlie Farr. You know this is what we do. At Samson, thanks for the stream. Lots more demos to check out as usual. No worries, mate. Robski Rob. Great stream. Thank you very much, mate. Daryl J-Man. Night Shift. Commander Keen. Blitter Object. RC55. You're all amazing. Pyro. What should be the message? The message will be ASCII. No, I've got it. Textual healing. All right, that's what. When we get in there, I just want everyone to write textual healing. That's what we want. When I get that feeling, I want textual healing. Right, that's what we want. Much love, everyone. I will be back on Monday for some raving with some DJing. So, yeah, I will see you all around. I'm going to do the outro, which is not... I need to fix it up so it's a better outro. But anyway... see you all soon. Much love. You're amazing. We're going to go raid Charlie. See you in a bit.